One of the special things about orthopedic surgery, specifically what I'm fortunate to be able to do on a day-to-day basis, which is work with people who have hip and knee conditions, is that you are often working with people that are at a juncture in their life. And with what I'm able to do in the operating room, we're able to give those people those things back. There's always a few people who stand out in your mind for people that you really feel that you've been able to help. Those people that really stand out in my mind are always people who are afraid of losing their independence. I have a couple of people who were told by other surgeons and other health systems that their cases were probably a little bit too far gone and that they would likely not be able to care for themselves any longer. Fortunately, with skills that have been afforded to me through Henry Ford and the resources that are afforded to us, we were able to intervene in those cases and give those people a sense of independence that they've always felt. They were able to stay in their own home, care for themselves, and continue to do things that they enjoy doing. I'm Dr. Wayne Trevor North. I'm an orthopedic surgeon at Henry Ford Health. I specialize in hip and knee replacement. I'm passionate about helping patients return to their previous level of activity prior to joint replacement.